Mistral Le Chat versus ChatGPT. Which one will win in 2026? Artificial intelligence is moving fast. New models appear almost every month, each one claiming to be faster, smarter, and more capable than the last. And in the middle of all this noise, two names keep coming up more and more in 2026. ChatGPT and Mistral Le Chat. One is already mainstream. The other is positioning itself as a serious alternative. But which one actually makes more sense to use today? I spent time comparing Mistral Le Chat and ChatGPT because AI tools are no longer just curiosities. People rely on them for writing, research, coding, planning, and even business decisions. When a tool starts shaping how you think and work, the differences matter more than marketing slogans. Let's start with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the most widely recognized conversational AI in the world. Millions of users rely on it daily, and it has become almost synonymous with the idea of an AI assistant. Its biggest strength is versatility. ChatGPT can help with long-form writing, explain complex topics, assist with programming, summarize documents, brainstorm ideas, and adapt its tone to different tasks. In 2026, it feels less like an experiment and more like digital infrastructure. That maturity brings stability. Updates are frequent, performance is consistent, and the experience is predictable. You open it, ask a question, and expect a usable answer. But this reliability comes with trade-offs. ChatGPT operates inside a controlled ecosystem. Certain responses are filtered. Customization has limits, and for some advanced users, that structure can feel restrictive. Now let's look at Mistral Le Chat. Mistral is a newer player, but it has gained attention quickly, especially among users who value openness and efficiency. Le Chat is built on Mistral's language models and focuses on speed, transparency, and technical flexibility. The experience feels lighter and more direct, with fewer layers between the user and the model. One of Mistral Le Chat's biggest appeals is its philosophy. It positions itself as an alternative to large, closed AI ecosystems. For users who care about data control, model openness, or integrating AI into custom workflows, this is extremely attractive. Responses can feel less constrained and more technical, which many power users appreciate. However, Mistral Le Chat is not as polished. While it performs well in reasoning and technical tasks, the conversational flow isn't always as smooth. Creative writing, tone matching, and nuanced explanations often require more careful prompting compared to ChatGPT. For everyday users, this can feel like extra effort. Another major difference is audience. ChatGPT is designed for everyone. Beginners, professionals, students, and businesses can all use it without understanding how the system works internally. Mistral Le Chat feels more targeted toward developers, researchers, and users who already know exactly what they want from an AI model. In terms of reliability, ChatGPT still holds the advantage. It rarely disrupts workflows and behaves consistently across sessions. Mistral Le Chat is improving fast, but in 2026, it still feels like a challenger rather than a full replacement for most users. So which one actually wins in 2026? The honest answer is that neither tool wins universally. If you want a dependable, all-purpose AI assistant that works well across writing, research, and daily tasks, ChatGPT remains the stronger choice. If you value openness, control, and technical flexibility more than polish, Mistral Le Chat is a powerful alternative. In reality, this isn't a battle with a single winner. ChatGPT represents maturity and accessibility. Mistral Le Chat represents innovation and openness. In 2026, the real advantage comes from choosing the tool that aligns with how you think and work. If this comparison helped you understand the real differences between Mistral Le Chat and ChatGPT, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps support more honest, in-depth reviews like this one. And let me know in the comments, which AI are you choosing in 2026 and why? Stay curious, stay critical, and I'll see you in the next one.